Welcome to Best Productly. Top 5 Best Pressure Washer.
Top 5.
Air Blue Clean AR383 1900 PSI Electric Pressure Washer, Nozzles, Spray Gun, Wand, Detergent Bottle and Hose. Outdoor cleaning power, make quick cleaning jobs of decks, patios, siding, driveways, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs and more. Attachments included: professional style pressure washer gun, 2 different pressure washer wands, 20-foot high pressure hose, 14 ounces detergent bottle and 2 high pressure quick change wands with pressure washer turbo and variable nozzles. Hose diameter, 0.25 inch, environmentally friendly, conserves water by using 80% less water with 40% more power than a standard garden hose. Quieter than gas engine models. Easy to assemble, pull it out of the box, insert the hose reel and attach the handle. Connect the high pressure hose and garden hose. Plug the GFCI to a 3-prong outlet with a ground. Pull the trigger to start cleaning. Customer service, best in class support. Contact us at any time in Fridley, Minnesota. Using the information found in the owner's manual.
Top 4.
Sunjoe SPX 3000 Pressure Joe 2030 PSI 1.76 GPM 14.5 imp electric pressure washer. Powerful motor, powerful 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 PSI/1.76 GPM for maximum cleaning power and water inlet temperature, max, is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Versatile, tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. With 2 0.9L onboard detergent tanks, removable tanks carry and store different types of detergent to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects. TSS, Total Stop System, automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Quick Connect Spray Tips, 5 Quick Connect Spray Tips, 0, 15, 25, 40 and soap, tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. Pressure, max rating per CSA test standards. Maximum internal pressure is 2030 psi. Under typical load, working pressure is 1450 psi.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
WATTY Electric Pressure Washer, Electric Power Washer with 5 Quick Connect Spray Tips, Pressure Cleaner, 3800 psi 2.80 GPM. Powerful motor generates max 3800 psi at 2.80 GPM to tackle heavy-duty cleaning job more efficiently. 5 interchangeable nozzles, 0, 15, 25, 40 and soap, for low to high pressure to wash various surfaces and easy to install and store. Ideal pressure cleaning solution is provided by this water pressure washer, car washer, pressure cleaner, power wash machine for all type of vehicles, cars, SUVs, ATVs, boats, RVs, home driveways, decks and etc. Easily gets rid of dirt, grime, gunk, oil, rust, mildew and so on. Safety Automatic Total Stop System automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life.
Top 2.
PAXCESS electric pressure washer, 2150 psi 1.85 GPM electric power washer with spray gun, adjustable nozzle, 26 feet high pressure hose, hose reel, pressure washer machine, pressure cleaner, car washer. 2150 psi high pressure cleaner? Powerful 1800 watt motor generates up to 2150 psi/1.85 GPM. Our electric pressure washer is an ideal way to quickly and easily blast away dirt and grime, such as clean decks, patios, driveways, siding, sheds, cars, outdoor power equipment and more. Adjustable pressure nozzle and removable detergent tank? Adjustable nozzles are easier to use. All you have to do is twist it until you reach the appropriate setting, fill the soap tank up with your detergent of choice to give this pressure washer a little extra cleaning power. Use our PAXCESS car pressure washer to clean cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, ATVs and bicycles in minutes.
Top 1.
Simpson MSH3125 MegaShot gas pressure washer powered by Honda GC190, 3200 psi at 2.5 GPM. Honda GC190 premium residential engine. Maintenance-free OEM technologies axial cam pump. Note: keep maximum fuel level 1/2 inch, 12.7 mm, below bottom of filler neck to avoid fuel spillage. Welded steel construction frame. 10 premium pneumatic wheels. 5 quick connect nozzle tips, 0, 15, 25, 40 and soap. All pressure washers are 100% functionally tested in factory and may contain minimum residual fuel oil or fuel odor.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.